All right, so just going through our reasoning here, a couple things could happen. We have this fraction down the bottom there, right, Marcus? You having a good time? Okay. We can let 1 minus x squared, which is here, be u, right? But if I let that be u, I'm also noticing that the square root of 1 minus x squared in the denominator is also part of arc sine's derivative. So that could also be happening here. So I just got that in the back of my head. Okay? And I'm noticing if I let u be that, then du would be negative 2x dx. And I have an x on top. I can make negative 2x happen right there. But I got a minus attached to it. And anytime you have a minus, something attached to something that you want to be du, you can't, it's not going to work. So either you can break this fraction apart, which we can in this case, and that's what's going to work out, or you've made the wrong choice of u du. Yeah, but we can split this up. And I know that's a good move because the first one's going to be a du situation, and the second one is just arc sine. So this is going to become the integral of 3x. Remember, you can always split up plus or minus in the numerator. So it's really just two integrals there. Everybody comfortable with what just happened? Again, the reason why I know this is a good move is because if I do this u substitution, the first one's going to work out. The second one is just arc sine. But if you don't know these rules, obviously this makes it seem like way, way harder. Okay? So the u du I'm using for the first part, that means this 3, I'm going to move out front. I don't care about that dumb 3. I want a negative 2 to be in there. And if I put a negative 2 in there on top, out front, we're going to put a negative 2 on the bottom, which is just negative 3/2, same thing. So that first integral becomes negative 3/2 the integral of 1 over u to the 1/2 power du. Everyone with me on that? The second one, even though there's an 8 on top, the 8 doesn't matter. I can move that out front. Okay, and you can do this all in one step, really. But I'm just writing it out so you can see what's going on. What's left is really that. And that's going to be arc sine. Okay, so we have negative 3/2. This is the integral of u to the negative 1/2 power. And this, if you integrate it right now, is just arc sine of x plus c. Okay, we haven't integrated the first one yet. That's fine. Notice I separated them, so they're each kind of separate problems now. Integral of u to the negative 1/2 becomes u to the positive 1/2. You got to multiply that by 2. The negative 3/2 is still out front. And then everything's integrated. Oops. We got that just chilling. And we're going to plug back in what u was and simplify this down. Negative 3/2 times 2, that's this part right here. That's just a negative 3. U to the 1/2. Remember, u was 1 minus x squared, so you can write it like that. Or you can put it in parentheses and put it to the 1/2 power. Then you have minus 8 arc sine of x plus c.